Today we're going to be unboxing this Nodus Retrospect 2 Salmon dial. A little bit about Nodus. They were founded in 2017 by two best friends, Wes and Colin, located here in Los Angeles, California. And as you can see, they include a travel pouch and this really cool 4-position time regulation card, which tells you they regulated the movement in 4 different positions to ensure plus or minus 10 seconds a day. Not a lot of microbrands do that. Kudos to Wes and Colin for taking that extra step and taking care of their customers. Also, this really cool little pamphlet that tells you a little bit about the watch, a little bit about them, and how to care for your watch, and talks about the warranty. I know a lot of seasoned watch collectors this means nothing, but for a lot of new watch collectors this means the world, right? Because this is the instructional manual. The box there, of course, designed and assembled in Los Angeles, just tells you that they're very transparent about where the watches are assembled, not manufactured, but assembled and designed here. And Wes was very transparent when we had him on the podcast, on the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast. Take a listen to that. As mentioned before, they do include this travel pouch, well constructed, made out of canvas with some leather accents. As you can see, the Nodus logo is stamped there on that leather piece, and they include that leather buckle. And speaking of the pouch, it has 2 slots. You could put watches. In this case, they included this Barton strap. It's a Barton Elite 22mm quick release with a buckle to stamp Nodus. It's very well constructed, very nice. Not sure who designed it for them or who manufactured it, but kudos to them. And if you want to pick one of these up, you could go to Barton and pick it up, but it was cool of them to include this. Now for the watch, fully constructed of 316L stainless steel sandwich style dial. I went for the salmon dial, and that ion plated and brushed seconds hand is beautiful. So you can see the watch is well constructed, it's brushed, it's polished, H-style bracelet on it, and it has a mill clasp, solid end link, solid links, screws on it, and the actual crystal on this is sapphire, double dome with AR coating. And as you can see, 120 click unidirectional bezel, which is ceramic, and it's lume, and it's 13.5 millimeters thick thanks to that NH35. They do include Swiss Super-LumiNova BGW9 grade A lume all over the watch, and of course 200-meter water resistance thanks to a screw down crown. The crown itself does have the company logo. Nice touch. NH35 movement workhorse. It is windable, it is hackable, and it is regulated, right? So that's awesome. And for $450 you cannot go wrong. 40.5 millimeters, 49 lug-to-lug, and 22 millimeters from lug-to-lug, and it's a diver watch, and it's like I said, well constructed. We will go into a full review in another video. I was just super excited to bring this to you, show you the unboxing, and let you know about Nodus. Incredible watches, highly recommend them, and thank you so much for all your support. We made it, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Stay humble, take care, enjoy this video, and be safe out there.